Good evening, tutor. I am Wilson Daza. I am from Popayán, and I live in Pitalito. I am studying foreign language of the university UNAT University. Sorry, this is my presentation. Step one, course recognition. What is the purpose of the course? The learning purpose of the course is to reference studying language, social language, and pragmatic competence through the performance of oral production, tasks in given sets of real-time interaction. How many learning outcomes could you find the syllabus? Learning outcome. Demonstrate oral skill to spread answer fluent and spontaneous about to debate controversial topic using argument for our ideas. Interpret a long speech even when the not clear structured, describe complaint topics will create in the late information. Question number 3. What are synchronous interaction activity? Synchronous interaction activities are a space for participation when tutor and fellow student in the course which allow us to improve language skills, address different topics, and make online presentation. Question number 4. How many activities does the course have? The course has 3 units. Question number 5. Which activity the course implement right-time interaction? Plain language studying based on current language answer. Pair interaction to enhance oral production skill regarding academic and cultural subjects. Develop sociolinguistic skill through debates. Defend points of view upon controversial uses. Preparing for the listening and speaking paper of international standard tests. Delivering occurring online meetings in the presentation through web conference system. Number 6, summary when your words, the course rule and the condition. The English 7 course address the number of conditions that must be taken in account for this course development. Respect and solidarity are fundamental principles in the interaction with the other members of the course. In addition, the regulation of the university of the course must be followed with responsibility in communication, participant activity in the activities in each of the activities. And number 7 is your institutional, it may work properly. Yeah, my institutional may work correct. Thank you for your attention. Sorry, I nervous. Thank you. Bye bye.